just arrived here at the Space Pattaya and we're on for our check-in. Right, we're here in the 16th floor. This is our floor on 1629. Alright, this way. So cool. We're here in the 16th floor. This is the hallway looks like, and we're here in room 1629. Let's check inside. Here is my baby. Alright, let's do a room tour. They have a built-in safety box, compartments. They have the bathroom, yes. For the shoes, they have for slippers. And then let's do this first. This is the toilet, and they have this separate. Nice, I like this one. This is the shower room. This vanity mirror is so nice. Look, what's this for? So, this is the time, the day today. It's my birthday. This is the temperature. And then, oh look, they have a bathtub. And then they have towels in here. I'm just gonna put my cake in here for later. So all this thing here complimentary. And then they have this ice bucket. What are this? So here you can have this. They say everything in here is complimentary. And then oh, it's so cool. And then this is the remote control. This is the television. So nice. And then I have a working space. Wow. And then we have this. I have another sofa. Wow. So beautiful. And then oh, what's that? How to open this out? Oh yeah. Huh? I cannot open this. So that's we have this. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay. Okay. We have this one. We're here at the back. So lovely. Oh, Dana, it's so lovely. So cute. Nandito kami sa likod. Oh. So that's the pool area. Ayan na yung pool area. And then Cape Dara yata yan. Nakalimutan ko na. And then meron silang ganito dito. And then what's this time? Oh, you can also charge here. This is my Dana. And this is the bed. Oh, they gave this for me. Happy birthday. They give me a souvenir. Happy birthday. Have a great what? Happy birthday. Have a great time on your special day. Oh, thank you so much. This comes with this, and then we have a token. When you book directly to their website, you will have a token, and scan this one and see what you can get out of this token. And then of course we have a breakfast ticket, this one. So we opted for 7:30 to 9 because this is too early and we're going to swim afterwards. And by the way, after you check out, you can still use the facilities for like until 2 p.m. I noticed something. Welcome, Swang Mr. Queen. I wanted Jane. There are 8 lifts, so I don't know which one will open first. What's the indication? Oh, there. We're going to the pool. Haha. This is a water park. This is the water park itself. They have this tree. That one will change color later on. And then they have some food cart in here. This is the food cart. They have different food carts in here. Toys, foods, burger stations, Thai spicy. Of course, they have drinks. These are slushies and drinks. Drinks and dessert. Let me see. 1 token. 80 baht or 1 token. Okay. These are the prices. 2 tokens. 2 tokens na yan. Okay. And this is the food snacks. The area is actually too big. This is sunbeds. That's the wave pool. There's a bar here. pool bar. This is the wave pool. Of course, they have life jackets everywhere for kids. They have the menu in here. Si Dana, excited na siya. Yeah, my daughter is so excited. They have a big slides in there. Long slides. Talagang bibili pa siya ng makakain niya. Papatingnan ko ako ng kakainin niya. Ayan na, nagutom na siya and she's looking for food. Popcorn na, wala mong popcorn dito. Ayun, bumili na kami ng popcorn and then meron silang ganire. It's only 129.25 baht. How about that? No need? You ready? You want this one only?
Sure.
Okay. How about drinks? They have drinks also there.
I want pink.
Pink? Alright. You order. Order there.
I want pink milk.
Pink is there, oh. No, not the pink milk now. Pink milk in the room you have. Ayan na, lumipat na kami. We'll be sitting down here near the wave pool. Nakakain na. Naka-order na siya ng kayang gustong popcorn. Basta, ay sus, may pasayaw-sayaw pa oh. Happy ay. Actually guys, it's only 220 baht. Not bad. For this hotel, for a hotel price, it's not bad. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Where's my happy birthday mama?
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama.
Ayun na si Dana. Nagsimula na ang wave. This is the wave pool. Ayun na si Dana. Ayan si Dana, oh. Ang lifeguard. Active naman ang kanilang lifeguard. Ano, nakamasid talaga. Bawal ang slipper dito. Kaya yun, naka-foot siya kasi nga bawal ang slippers. Hold! The wave is coming! Ayan. Naging Buddha na ang kanyang postura doon. Naging Buddha na. Ito na yung itsura niya paggabi. Ayan. Makikita mo yung Cape Dara sa labas. Ayan siya. Actually, hindi pa namin ginalaw yung bed ni Dana. Hindi pa kami nahiga kasi when we arrive, we just took photos and then change and head to the swimming pool or the recreational area. So, ganyan siya. So, dito is wala na yung remote para sa aircon. Ito na siya. At hindi ko siya alam kung paano gawin. So, actually, automatic nini. Pagpasok mo, pag sinaksak mo, islalamig na kagad. Hi! Tapos, ayan na siya. Makikita mo kung ano man ang nasa labas. Ang ganda, no? May working table pa. Actually, laki ng room, ha? Yeah. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na yung labas. We'll have our dinner for tonight. We're going to Sula Luna. For dinner, nandito kami sa may Sula Luna. Ayan, here. Umorder na kami kanina lang. And tulad nyo guys, wala silang alcohol dito. And then that's Dana. Dana's always pink milk. And mine is the summer something. This is like a promotion drink for the month. Like the Italian restaurant, they will have a complimentary bread to start. From the 32nd floor here, makikita mo ang terminal, tapos yan Center Point, same company lang neto. And then Holiday Inn, tapos Amari. Yan ang order ni Dana. Chicken with almond crust. Ayan, masarap siya ha, in fairness. Parang ang kanyang sauce is tartar sauce. Ayan. And for main, Dana opt for lasagna, beef lasagna. In fairness, yung chicken nila with almond crust is marami. Ganda tingnan, oh. So, this is my birthday dinner. We're here at the 31st floor. This is the rooftop pool. Super nice. This is how the swimming pool looks like. So we're just gonna take photo. So this is how it looks like here. Look. So La Luna is on the 32nd floor. This is on the 31st floor. This is the adult pool. Kids under 12 years old is not allowed to swim in here. So yan si Dana. We're allowed to take photos and videos naman. See, this is the rooftop pool. And yan, that's it. Super nice niya. Ay, ang ganda tingnan niya, ha? Ang ganda tingnan. Yan ito ang itsura dito. We're here at the gym area. The staff are really polite and really nice. And you can see that they're very accommodating. This is the gym area. This is how I look like. I look like a carrot. The overview of the gym is the Terminal 21. Oh, looks so nice. Ooh. They have free water in here, a free to use towel. They have yoga mat, they have kettlebell, they have dumbbells, and they have this ball. They have yoga ball, they have the medicine ball, they have the bands, they have the ropes as well. That rope is really good. They have this one. Ito lang kami dito sa kanilang gym. And after this, bababa kami. We're going to play. This area here are for kids. Yeah, these are for kids. All the recreation area is in one place, which is really nice. Theme park na siya actually. Tapos ang maganda pa, hindi sila nagpapatay dito. Pagkatapos, diba, turn off na siya lahat. Wala na pa yung pumasok. Pero allowed ka pa rin pumasok, maglakad-lakad, ganyan. Which is nice. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya kasi yung time earlier is kay Dana lang, is kailangan ko siyang bantayan. So hindi ako nakagala. So now, free time na, pwede na kaming pumala dito. Nandito na naman kami sa slides. Ayan ang itsura niya pag gabi. There's no ulan. Maybe the floor is wet because they cleaned earlier. So grabe yung mga staff nila, talagang nagkukuskus kahit gabi na. Nililinis talaga nila daily ang kanilang pool. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon. Hindi kami napunta dito kasi ayaw ni Dana sa slides. Sobrang haba ng slides. Yan yung slides sa likod. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Nice, right? Pwede kang pumasok kahit hindi na siya open for you to play, but at least you are able to take photos. Ayan. Ayan. Wala akong picture kasi kami lang ni Dana. Taga-picture lang ako for today's video. Taga-picture at taga-hawak. Taga-kuha ng picture ni Dana. Hi, Dana. How was your day?
Good.
Did you enjoy your wave pool earlier? Did you enjoy, Dana?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yan sa baba, this is for kids. Pinasok ko na yan kanina. Meron siyang printing. Actually, yung pagpipaint nila is digital na sa napakalaking monitor. At sa taas naman is may mga gaming room, billiards, mga ganyan. Pwede ka pumasok pero kailangan mo muna magpaalam sa receptionist to register. Ayan. And dito pala is may nakasulat na only guests with wristband are allowed to enter this place. Look at your wrist. You have a wristband, baby?
Yeah.
Hala, where's your wristband?
What wristband?
For here. Where is it? Hala, you cannot come here tomorrow. Nawala ang kanyang wristband. So, yun. Nawala yung wristband ni Dana. So, kailangan namin bumalik sa reception para kunan na naman siya ng wristband. Kasi bukas magsiswimming pa kami. After naming mag-breakfast, magsiswimming pa ulit kami. Patando. Ay, punta kami doon. Ano, doon. Yun, punta namin. We're going to a different world.
Yeah.
Different world. Kung maka-different world, eto na yun. Here it is. Whew! What planet are those?
8. Why are Plutos are here?
Ayan. Nandito na kami. Parang golf course to ng mga bata eh. Mini golf course. Ayan. Kasi parang hindi siya nakalit pag morning. So, ayan. Ayan, o, tingnan, o. Nandito kami sa parang may mini golf course nila. Ayan, si Dana, hinanap niya talaga yung earth. Ayan na daw yung earth. Ayan. So, here we are with all these planets in here. This is like a mini golf course. And then, here you go. Yan siya. Ang ganda niya tingnan. May token kami to play here. Pero si Dana, gusto niya doon sa claw. And that's it. We call it a night. We call it a night, baby. Let's go and... What are we going to do after this one?
Claw.
Alright, claw. Magka-claw machine na talaga kami. Morning, guys. This is our view for morning. Ayan ang aking bebe. This is our morning view. Tadan.
Good morning.
Ayaw pang kumain at dito pa daw niya gustong tumambay. Hala, sige. Breakfast time. Ang daming tao. Nagkukiw pa for breakfast. Ayun na si Dana. Breakfast is magbe-bread lang daw siya. Grabe, ang daming tao for breakfast. Ayan, dito yung first station. Ice cream for dessert. Ayan, salad. Sobrang daming tao. Almost 95% are local. And then, after that, pag ikot mo dito is balik na naman tayo sa mga breads and pastries. Ayan, ito naman is yung mga fillings. Ito ang kanilang mga croissant. Meron din pala dito. Lumayo pa kami. And then oven. And they have donuts. They have churros. I will try the churros later. Assorted Danish. The same. Almost the same. And then here, breads and pastries. The same lang pala. Ang layo pa ng kinuhanan namin ni Dana. Ayan. Meron din sila dito mga soft rolls. Usong-uso ni Dana ang soft rolls. Meron silang farmer bread. Then meron sila nito. Dito mo yan and dito mo yan i-reheat. And then what's this? Pudding. I like this pudding. Then same waffle and pancake. On this side, ayan, fruits. Cold cuts here. Cold cuts and cheese. Silang fresh fruits. This side, seasonal fresh fruits. Then this is the salad bar. Bread section. Grabe ang laki. Ito naman is yung mga palaman. And this one, they have waffles and pancake. This is coffee station, drink station here, coffee itself. They also have a fresh fruit salad and low-fat yogurt. Oh, this one here is soy milk. This is soy milk. And then you can mix this one together. This is really good as well. And then hot coffee, tea, hot milk. They have hot milk as well. And then this is the cereal station with dried fruits in here. And then here's the cereal and then drinks station. This one before I thought is a buko juice. They have milk as well and low fat milk, and that's it. This here is the hot dishes. I cannot say it one by one. It's quite busy here. Here as well. I'll get milk for Dana. Ano ba to? Wala na ba? Kasi ang ano nito. Anong halak? Hot milk na lang kasi ubos na yung kanilang mga food. Let's see. Walang tao. Kami. Ayan. They have mashed potato. This one and a cream corn soup. Dito, pwede ka magpaluto ng local noodles and then pwede ka magpaluto ng mga egg dito. Kahit anong uri ng luto. Omelette, mga ganyan. Kay daw, kung ano-ano pa. Meron pang iba din dito. Noodles, congee, at saka meron sila niyan. Oh, masarap yan. Yung pork na yan. Sauce, soup. And then, ito yung mga toppings. Paro. Chicken ba din? kimbap. Kimbap pala yan. Bacons. Bacons. Nandito yung mga bacon for breakfast. Bacon, egg. Dito pala yung egg. Soup pala yung nauna. Dito ka magpapaluto ng mga egg. Ayan, ayan. Suitable for vegetarians and vegan. Green curry, sutay zucchini, dal takda, dal makhani. And this is the last section. Itong mga to, peanuts, fried pickled turnip, and ano to? Pickled cabbage. Ah, I see. Para to sa boiled rice. Ayan. Ayan. Itatoppings mo yun para dito sa boiled rice. And then they have this rice dito, rice. Dito is naka-open na. Meron silang Thai section ba ito dito? Meron silang stir-fried noodles. Ano, parang pad Thai. Tapos, ayan, vegetables. Crispy pork. Then, stir-fried sweet and sour fish. Ang aga ay naghahanap siya ng sushi. Kukuha na siya ng kanyang cereal. Kukuha din daw siya ng kimbap. Mag-sauce din daw siya. Breakfast. Ayan na si Dana. This is what I got for now. Kasi sa sobrang dami, hindi ko na alam nung kakainin ko. This is the view. Pag kumakain tayo ng breakfast, same view lang ng room namin. Kapag cafe latte tayo. And for today, we will try this out. Good morning. It's almost 10 in the morning and we're here back at the wave pool. That's the one. She really like this pool. Hala, sige, birada Dana, birada. Ati dito ba naman? Last token, hindi man lang kami nanalo. Tara! The price says in exchange of your tokens. So, 2 tokens. When you buy it, it's 195. This is also 2 tokens. When you buy it, it's 95. We have a total of 5 tokens and we opted for a claw machine. Yan. Yun. Yung claw machine, hindi kami nanalo. Right, Dana? We did not win. Yan. After check out, pwede pa kami magpunta sa kanilang mga amenities before 2 p.m. So, ayan. Pupunta kami, maglalaro si Dana. Nag-video-video din siya. Maglalaro si Dana sa kanilang child area, amenities. Tapos, ito, meron pa kaming wristband. Hindi naman tinanggal yung wristband namin si Dana din. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to